Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about the TGA. Thermogravimetric Analysis (TGA) provide a valuable insight into purity and phase behavior of chemical substance. Discuss how TGA can be applied to evaluate the purity and thermal stability of a pharmaceutical compound. Alright, the fundamental basic of TGA is actually to determine what is the change in mass with the temperature. Means that as the temperature go up, you can see the changes in the mass of your compound. So when you want to find what is the purity of your compound, what you have to do is you need to compare the TGA graph of the pure compound with your sample. So, if your sample have additional increment of mass due to oxidation or additional decrease of mass as compared to your pure compound, it means that your sample is not pure anymore. It means that the purity of your compound is less as compared to the one that you aim to get. Alright, so in terms of thermal stability, what TGA can do is it have the ability to determine the temperature at which the compound begins to decompose. So, for pharmaceutical company, they need to know what is that temperature so that the storage of their pharmaceutical compound or pharmaceutical product should be stored at the temperature below the decomposition temperature. So that is how you use TGA to evaluate the purity and thermal stability for pharmaceutical compound. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.